In 1997, Malaysia Tzu-Chi volunteers established the first overseas Tzu-Chi dialysis center in Penang to give poor dialysis patients an opportunity to receive free treatments. Today, the 3 Tzu-Chi dialysis centers in the nation can be found in Penang, Kedah, and Butterworth. Let's take a look.
Piecing Jingsi aphorisms together, patients waiting for their turn to receive treatment have a place to relax and someone to talk to. In the 1990s, Malaysia Tzu-Chi volunteers discovered that many care recipients suffer from renal failure. Unfortunately, as a result of the high cost and limited number of dialysis centers in Malaysia, many patients were unable to receive the treatment they needed. Thankfully, starting from September of 1996, Tzu-Chi Malaysia chapter launched a program to raise funds for a Tzu-Chi dialysis center.
All of us were unfamiliar with building a dialysis center, so we decided to conduct everything with Tzu-Chi's humanistic values in mind. We wanted to help poor dialysis patients.
Back then, the Tzu-Chi Dialysis Center in Penang did not have enough medical staff. Thankfully, a doctor decided to take an early retirement to volunteer at the center. In August 3, 1997, the first Tzu-Chi Dialysis Center overseas was established in Malaysia's Penang, providing needy patients with free dialysis treatments. It was also the first free dialysis centers in the country. At first, the Tzu-Chi Dialysis Center only had 5 dialysis machines. In March of 2002, a second Tzu-Chi Dialysis Center was established in Jitra, Kedah, and on November of the same year, a third center was launched in Bagang Ajam, Butterworth. In September of 2010, the Tzu-Chi Dialysis Center in Kedah was moved to Alor Setar. Currently, Tzu-Chi dialysis centers have a total of 41 dialysis machines with 44 medical staff on hand to help 188 dialysis patients.
还有呢，让他们知道呢，现在有这样的一个机构来帮助他，他也有能力呢，捐出一滴。 能帮助很多人，所以那种的济贫教富我也是非常的感动这就是在医病医心救贫但是呢，也提升了他的富有的爱心，这是。 智慧型的教育，智慧型的救济那这一群的圣友也打开了那一份的爱心也都会呢自愿的投入，成为志工。
Although these dialysis patients suffer from physical pain, they insist on joining the volunteers' ranks to help the less fortunate by practicing recycling. This 3D drawing shows the finished look of the new Tzu-Chi Dialysis Center. In the future, the center will be equipped with 108 dialysis machines, a kidney health center, and Heart Lotus palliative wards.
With the love from members of the public and Tzu-Chi volunteers in Malaysia, we hope the Tzu-Chi Dialysis Center can safeguard the health of underprivileged dialysis patients, especially as we have seen a growing number of dialysis patients in the country.
Thanks to Malaysia Tzu-Chi volunteers' unconditional love, dialysis patients across the country not only had the opportunity to receive treatments, but also a chance to cleanse in their hearts.